This Diwali, gifting starts at just Rs 250. Yes, Sumtilal Chunilal Saraf brings you an exclusive grand silver exhibition at BLVD Nashik on the 20th and 21st of September. Explore a wide range from pure silver coins and bars, elegant silver articles, and stunning silver plated treasures to timeless silver and gold foil frames. Whether it's for your loved ones or corporate partners, there's a perfect gift for everyone. The exhibition is open from 11 am to 7 pm, giving you plenty of time to shop stress-free. This Diwali, stop searching and start gifting with Sumtilal Chunilal Saraf. Save the dates 20th and 21st September, only at BLVD Nashik. And for such updates, do follow Nashik Buzz.